Hi, welcome to Travel Tales with Judith. I'm Judith and I share experiences and stories about a lifetime of journeying. Today's going to be kind of a short one. A number of years ago, I was in Dubrovnik. I think I've had one other video about Dubrovnik. And I had met a young man from Germany who was a judge. And so I was traveling alone, as was he. So for one day, we decided to coordinate our travel experience, and we took a tour that took us a little bit north of Dubrovnik. And there's a tour of three islands. One was called Lopud, I think, Lopud, and one was called Shipon. And and it was a lovely full day tour. I can remember having this wonderful experience on this beautiful island in the gorgeous sunshine, eating mussels and drinking some wine. And it was one of those places that you just don't forget. But I'm just going to tell you a fun thing that happened on the boat. So this young man I was talking to, I don't speak German, so his English was quite good. Of course, he had a pretty good accent. And I'd been talking to a couple on the boat from Wales. And I love a Welsh accent. So I was talking to them. I was talking to the young man. Um, can't even remember his name at this point. And and we're all speaking English. But the people from Wales could not understand the German accented English. Neither could the German understand the Welsh accented English. So this was a translation I had to do between English and English. And it was so funny. He'd say it to me, and I'd just say it back to the Welsh people, and then they'd get it, and then they'd respond, and then I'd have to go back to the German fella, and he'd respond English to English all over. I never forgot it. It was just a really crazy thing.